Ah, Christmas pudding. A moist Christmas pudding with juicy vine grapes, cider, rum, and glacé strawberries and almonds. But it's so dry. Did you know Christmas pudding is supposed to be quite a boozy treat? It was moistened with rum, then set alight, like a festive party. Really? I thought it was supposed to be just having the flavor of rum or brandy and none of the alcohol. Dude, it's time to wake up and pass out. Now, let's unbox this. With his help. What? So, do we just add a drop for the flavor? Just to, we're not trying to get the alcohol burn, right? What? What are you talking about? We got all this here. It's time to get this party started, playa. Now, let's set this alight. Creepy guy, take it away. Wow, that's amazing. My God, it's burning. Ah! Wow, that's quite boozy. I do declare. Merry Christmas, everybody.